Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Erica J. If you are new here, welcome. That's my heart for me to you because you know I love you, and girl, I'm not letting you down today. I'm going to show you the best pair of leggings hands down that I've ever had. I can dress them up, I can dress them down, wear them to the gym, do a little sporty chic. It doesn't even matter, y'all, but I never leave the house without these. I literally wear these almost 3-4 times a week. Let's get right into this video. I'm going to show you the best pair of leggings that you're about to buy, y'all. Let's go. Girl, so let's get right into these leggings. These are called the high waist Shapewear leggings. Let's get into the feel of them and the fit. They are super comfortable. They're durable. They're made of DuraFit, right? So that makes them extra comfortable. They're also breathable, so if you choose to work out in these, they do not hold moisture, especially, you know, down in your vaginal area where it gets really hot when you work out. These are ankle length. They also have ruching across, let me step up, ruching here in between the butts to give your butt a more rounded look, and they have seams here that give your butt a tailored look. I feel like these are a highly structured legging. Like I said, guys, I wear these 3-4 times a week. These are a brand new pair because y'all, I wore my other ones out and I wanted a fresh pair. I mean, when I wore them out, I mean, like, I've had them for years, and I'm sharing these with you guys because I feel like we love leggings, but we need to stick to structured leggings that make us look more put together, and these are definitely it. More specifics on these leggings: they are high-waisted, they come in small all the way up to 2X, and I am wearing a medium. You probably can't tell, I don't know if you can, but they literally just took off like 2 inches on my waist area. I'm more smooth in. This is what I would wear with the leggings if I was going like to the gym or downstairs to work out. On my bike, I would wear this, but I'm gonna get into some other outfits to show you that you can just wear these Shapewear leggings on an everyday basis with like your regular clothes. So this is just an active wear look. Let's go into a more casual, chic, everyday look. Alright, so if I want to dress my leggings up, I would just throw in a little chic little shirt or little faux leather jacket or something like that. I chose this top. I love this top. It looks cute. And nobody knows when I wear these together that these are Shapewear leggings. Like, you have no idea. They just look like regular everyday leggings, but they are giving me that pulled in, cinched, really controlled feel. And I feel like I look so good in these leggings. They make your booty look... Girl, I just did like a fake twerk because I can't twerk. Like, they make your butt look so good. I always get compliments when I wear these leggings, but just to show you that you can dress this up and make these into whatever you want them to. They never roll down. Also, they have an anti-grip lining here across the rim, the edges of the leggings. They never roll down. Like, I've never worn these and they've rolled down, so you don't have to worry about that, because a lot of leggings, they do like literally roll down. This is like, the quality is like impeccable, and they're so versatile. Let's get into a more sporty look. Okay guys, and I have my gym shoes on. I don't know if you can see it, but this is a more sporty look. Nobody will ever know like that these are Shapewear leggings. That's what I love about them. They're so versatile. I can wear them with basically anything. Dress them up, dress them down, still feel comfortable, still look cute, and they're giving me that control feeling at the top. I'm smooth out, like everything is flowing. Like, I can wear these all day long. So I just want to give you guys a different look with these to let you see how versatile these leggings really are. Okay guys, so I wanted to show you the structure of the leggings without me having them on. I wanted to show you the anti-grip lining at the top of the leggings. That's so that the leggings never roll down. And you see how the middle is structured, keeps you pulled in. They're ankle length. They're super long. They go all the way down. I'm tall, 5'8", and these go all the way to my ankles, so that is a super good length. It has ruching across the booty, y'all, so it gives your booty like this round, little plump little look, even if you don't have a booty. Like, so I'm super in love with these leggings. If you like videos like this, make sure you catch my other video about shapewear, essential pieces for your wardrobe if you're into that, or catch some of my other videos that are binge worthy. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, like, and all that good stuff. And until the next video, guys, peace.